Georgia, wrap me up in all you want you. In my arms, let me hold you. I'll never let you go again like I did or used to say I would